In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a credit card on QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have your credit card securely linked so new transactions flow into your books automatically, saving you time on data entry and making reconciliation smoother. Before we start, make sure you can log into your QuickBooks online account and that you have the online banking credentials for your credit card handy. Begin by opening QuickBooks in your browser. Once you're in, look to the top navigation. From there, go to Accounting, then choose Bank Transactions. This takes you to the banking area where all your connected accounts live and where you'll add your credit card connection. On this page, select Connect Account. Depending on your layout, this button can appear near the top right of the Banking tab. Clicking it opens QuickBooks' Secure Bank Connection screen, where you'll link your financial institution to QuickBooks. Next, find your bank. You'll see a list of popular institutions and a search field. Use the search bar to type the name of the bank that issued your credit card. Keep your typing simple. Start with the bank's main name rather than a specific card product and wait a moment for results to populate. When you see the correct bank in the list, select it to move forward. You'll be taken to a sign-in window hosted through QuickBooks Secure Connection. Here, sign into your bank account the same way you do on the bank's website. Enter your username, then your password. Take a moment to double check for typos, especially if your credentials are case sensitive. QuickBooks uses bank-level encryption and your sign-in is handled securely. After your credentials are in place, click Continue. QuickBooks will begin establishing the connection with your bank. This can take a minute while the system verifies access. Keep the browser tab open and avoid refreshing the page during this step. Once the connection is confirmed, your credit card is linked and QuickBooks is ready to start bringing in transactions. You'll return to the bank transactions area where new activity will populate automatically on a schedule set by QuickBooks and your bank. If you don't see transactions immediately, give it a little time for the first sync to complete. That's it. You've connected your credit card to QuickBooks, paving the way for faster bookkeeping and better visibility into your spending. If you work from multiple devices, remember to use the same QuickBooks login and keep your bank credentials up to date with your financial institution to maintain a smooth connection.